Only a candidate or treasurer may authorize access to a committee's ORESTAR account. Access can only be granted after it's requested. To grant access to an authorized user, navigate to the ORESTAR public search page at sos.oregon.gov/ORESTAR. Click on the Sign In link. If taken to the private workshop, click on User Management. If you're automatically directed to the user profile homepage, you're already in the right place. Click on User Workflow. Click on the Assign Roles checkbox for the individual. Select the role to be assigned to the individual. Click Submit. Click in the Approve checkbox for the individual. A message will display confirming that the approval has been processed, and the approved individual will receive an email informing them of their new role.